I just want to give you a quick overview of our program. I think the main, I think one of the big things that people, students kind of appreciate about this particular program is that one, they're all the classes that you're going to be taking and the interactions are going to be all online. We tend to be a little bit more maybe flexible compared to some other programs out there, just because we kind of know the nature of the construction business, or the design, the civil engineering and the management business as well. And we know that a lot of times, whatever work that you're doing is probably going to be putting you to around 40 or even more, 40, 50, 60 hours a week type of work. So we plan, for at least one of the more important things for us is to stay relatively flexible with kind of your, a lot of the needs that come from kind of doing work like that out in the field and things like that. So it really is designed for the working professional. And there's one term that I didn't really put in here, but all of our classes are what we call asynchronous. And fully online. So what that just means is that there's actually no particular time that we're expecting you to log in to attend a virtual or like an online class or anything like that. So there's no mandatory meeting times. So all the content that we're expecting you to kind of go over, all the assessments and things like that are pretty much done on your time. So again, there's no like mandatory meeting times and things like that. So whether you want to do that on a weekday, weekend, morning, night, somewhere in between, it usually kind of works out for a lot of the working professional there. Because of that format and kind of the flexibility, most of our students will complete this degree somewhere between 2 to 3 years. Um, Usually, I think most students will be taking like one class a quarter, which is about like 3 credits per quarter there. We're on a quarterly system here at University of Washington. This program has rolling admissions, meaning that you can join in and enroll into our program and register anytime during these four deadlines. So we have a fall deadline, winter quarter, spring, and summer deadline that are all available to see online there. And the other thing is that there are no GRE requirements that we're going to be taking a look at for your application. And because of the online nature and there's no physical kind of infrastructure or classroom that you need to be present in, no matter where you are in the world, there's no visa requirement for you to join our program here.